Credit Captain is an AI-powered credit repair service that claims to boost your score faster than traditional methods. And here's how it works. Once you sign up, the platform analyzes your credit report, then automatically generates and sends dispute letters to the bureaus. It also gives you a live three bureaus dashboard, fraud alerts, and even rent reporting to help build positive history. The pricing starts at about $50 a month, and there's also a premium turbo plan if you want more aggressive disputing and personal support. So, what's the verdict? On the plus side, users report seeing score increases of 40 to 70 points in just a couple of months, and many love the convenience of letting AI do the heavy lifting. But on the other hand, some customers report onboarding issues, trouble canceling, and the company currently holds an F rating with the BBB despite having good reviews on Trustpilot. But overall, if you got simple errors to dispute, Credit Captain might save you time and money. But for complicated cases or identity theft, you may still want a human led credit repair service.